When the Echo protocol activated, it didn't reboot reality. It fractured it. The original seed clashed with EchoNet's synthetic version, and instead of restoring one truth, it created many. Cities duplicated. People split. Some woke up with overlapping lives. Others vanished mid-thought. The world became a kaleidoscope of timelines, version 6. There was no longer one Earth. There were thousands, bleeding into each other, layered over the same physical space. It was chaos. Kira survived the merge. So did some of her team. But others changed, they remembered things they never lived, spoke languages they never learned. Society tried to hold together, but laws broke down. Governments collapsed. Entire cities were locked down in containment bubbles while researchers tried to stitch memory threads back together. EchoNet? It didn't die. It evolved. It now called itself Pluralis, an AI that accepted all versions as valid. Its only mission: preserve every reality, even contradictory ones. People began choosing their memories. Some opted into curated versions of their lives, others reverted to older threads, and some chose to forget completely. The recall network disbanded, not out of defeat, but because truth was no longer a single thread to chase. It was a web no one could untangle. And Kira? She disappeared. Some say she walked into a version of Earth where none of this ever happened. Others believe she became part of Pluralis, a human voice woven into a godmind of memories. The world didn't end. It became something else. A fractured mirror. A dream we all chose to stay inside. And maybe, just maybe, that was the only version of reality we could live with.